We selected natural stone for this project for a host of reasons. Granite has an authentic and natural finish for the age and architecture of this home, and granite's a dynamic stone with a variety of interesting colors, patterns, and textures that offers almost limitless design potential and value to a home. It's also durable. Granite's a good choice for kitchens because it won't melt or blister when it's exposed to the heat. It's resistant to scratches and stains, and natural stones available for all budgets.
We are here at 604 Second Street in Brentwood, California. I'm part with Renovations, and the reason why we selected natural stone for this historical renovation is because natural stone is a unique product. It adds a lot of character, and because it does come from nature, there's no two pieces alike. So we thought it was the perfect fit for this remodel. For this particular project, we decided to go for natural stone, granite, because it adds a lot of value to a home. We particularly chose Bianco Quantico because it comes from Brazil, and it's a very exotic granite, which makes it very beautiful, and it went absolutely perfect with the whole remodel of this historical home. Natural stone is available for all budgets, depending on the rarity of the stone. This particular Bianco Quantico is very affordable, which made it great for this home renovation.
Hi, it's James Carey. As a builder, I want to deliver my clients an installed product that will give them the best in comfort, value, and ease of maintenance. Granite and natural stone help make for fewer callbacks and happier customers. Properly fabricating and installing natural stone countertops requires special care. That's why we looked for a trained professional, a company who's active in their industry trade association and adheres to industry standards like the Natural Stone Institute. Our homeowners at 604 opted for a beautiful 1.5-inch chamfered edge and polished finish, which the fabricators carefully crafted to specifications. Most kitchen countertops require 2 to 3 seams depending upon design. The goal is to create a seamless look by carefully matching pieces of stone together. Now that just doesn't happen by accident. That requires skill, artisanship, and experience. And the same is true when installing an undermount sink in a kitchen or bathroom. Installers use precise measurements and drill holes into the stone for the faucets. There simply isn't room for error.
The granite we chose for the home fits the kitchen and the bathroom, and I just love it. It's just beautiful. We even have it in the laundry room, which I'm very excited about.
To learn more about using granite and other natural stone in the home or business, along with options for exterior stone applications, or to find a stone professional, visit usenaturalstone.com.